Alright, y'all, we ready to get this old school joint started. Ready to jump it off.
We all agree tonight, all of the speakers have agreed.
It's exclusive, yo. Pay attention, man.
Not only does America,
Ain't no other young nigga doing it like I'm doing it, man. I'm taking it back to the real hip hop days. Word. Listen. Yo. Go back to kindergarten with your garbage. My flow is awkward, aiming for the sergeant in the red target. I load my cartridge on some rough type shit. Dealing Austin's wit, extreme prejudice to settle with the metal. Bitchy fission lizard with the liquid. Belong your district like a blizzard when I visit. Jada wouldn't want to kiss it if you blink. You miss it, standing stagnated and suspicious lifestyle craze. Choose to play something delicious, never superstitious. Pushing this shit beyond the limits. Thug niggas, we fuck pigeons. Cut, stitch them scissors, make my own decisions. You can catch it on the rebound, cause we found the motivate sound through underground. Versatile, take a nigga that smile with crooked smiles, leave a nigga wet. Throw him a towel for smelling foul, overdoses. High class ferocious, hocus pocus, cyclopic focus. I stay bent like scoliosis. Self-destruction, you're headed for self-destruction. Sip some punchlines in your knuckles so niggas will catch you red-handed. Work more plans without planning. Open faces, blazing, only basic. Watch more niggas run home than loaded bases. What? Listen, I'ma switch it up on y'all though. Watch how I do it to them, yo. It's nothing. Verse 2. Yeah. Just one of them days, waking up to sun rays. My peeps out of town. I got a blunt to blaze and a QP plus a cutie that's gonna stop by to do me. Give me the coochie. I'm just lounging, smoking, watching a movie. Cheech Chong hitting the lower road, so I reach for the bone. Feeling good. Everybody love days like this. Blazing a spliff with bitches on the waiting list who take the dick. Yo, I chill for an hour, eat some snacks, then I run upstairs, take a shower and I get dressed. Then I take a ride in the whip to try to find the bitch that love riding the dick. Dog, I'm high as shit. You see my man with trees in his hand, that was no less than 3 grams. I stepped out, hollered at him, eyes slant high, and the guy hit me off with a 5 red dime. I told him to stop by when the guy had time. My peoples ain't home, we can get high and rhyme. I gave him dap and dipped, I'm back in the whip. This girl smiled at me, so I smiled back and shit. I rolled down the window and macked to the chick, she was dumb. I wanted to smack the bitch, but I didn't. I was just making her laugh, taking her back to the crib. She gave me the ass and that was that. Yo, she said my dick was better than never before. Fuck this chick whenever. Call a few people and plan to get together. Starting at midnight, we having an open mic. Bring bed, bring bud, bring sluts. I only told 5 heads, but hundreds came. What the fuck? Girls with fat rumps, niggas with fads and skunk hash and blunts. Niggas like I have to get drunk. I parlayed in the kitchen, we all blaze. It's so crowded I couldn't even squeeze in the hallway. Contemplating and thinking, what will my mom say? I guess that I'ma learn the hard way.